Welcome to QuickCalm, and I wanted to record this video to show you some basic features to get you started. As you can see, I'm logged into QuickCalm, and I haven't completed my onboarding, so I probably should do that. My goal is to reduce Googling, okay? Save goal. I guess I have some friends and family, right? Okay, we'll create the ladder. Okay, so start the journey. Now, based on what I've done at the onboarding, it's going to recommend me different steps here, right? So worried postponement, as you can see, this is personalized, creating your first ladder, watch the first 2-minute introduction video, and some basic getting started stuff. This is early beta right now, and you can see that I'm using a developer build. So you might see a very different app, but we'll constantly improve it every single week. So you might see new features, more improvement almost every single week. So here we have the self-therapy program, which is a course. You can talk to any of our coaches if you want. There are affirmations and more features in the works. You might see them by the time you're seeing this. Here are quick tools. SOS is anytime you're panicking, anytime you're having an anxiety attack, or you're worried about something and you just want to ground yourself. Mindfulness is meditations. You will see different meditations here. They're not here, but they should be by the time you're seeing this as we're developing this. This is the web version. We also have an app version, which is right here. So depending upon which version you're using, you will see different options. The native iOS version does not have the templates because of Apple's restrictions. But the web version has all the templates, and you get access to both web version and native version with the same account, regardless of where you purchased it. So you don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to go back to the web version. And as you can see, we have mindfulness, exposures. And as you can see here in exposure, we have templates. So I'm going to use the template, and I have cardiac anxiety. I'm worried about having a heart attack or something else. So I'm going to tap on it, and the app automatically create these ladder steps for me, exposure ladder steps. I will add more videos. One of our psychotherapists is going to add more videos here to help you, educate you more about how exposures work. And by the time you're seeing this, they should already be there. But there are helpful tips. So these are exposure steps, and you can go through these exposure steps one by one, and they will help you. And if you need something to calm you down in the current moment, we have mindfulness and SOS for that. Before we move on to other features, I'd like to show you how to turn this, because if you want to use this on the web version and you want to use this on your phone because it has more templates, the way you can do this is by clicking here, or tapping here, should I say, going to the bottom and tap Add to Home Screen and open as a web app. And you can just name it QuickCalm and add it. And you will see an icon here. Where is it? Where's the icon? Here it is. And now the icon, the app is, it just runs like a native app. So you don't have to worry about it. Or you can use the native app. We have the native app here as well. So that's cool. All right. We also have light mode and dark mode. As you can see, I like dark mode. You can use light mode depending on what you want to do. We also have an option to delete your data. You can export your data and share your report with your therapist or your provider or a QuickCalm coach. You can contact support. You can delete your data, as I've said before. And when you tap on Manage Subscription, you can cancel your subscription anytime you want, or you can upgrade it, downgrade it, whatever you want to do. You can do it from here. And if you want to manage your billing, you can tap here, and it will open a portal where you have to enter the billing address that you've entered originally, and you can change the credit card or do something else or whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's move on and see some more features.